Today, we're diving into a snack that has been crunching its way through history, pork rinds. But before we embark on this crispy journey, let me hit you with a question that's as tantalizing as the aroma of a fresh batch of pork rinds. Have you ever wondered how a humble piece of pork skin could become the ultimate crunchy snack? Alright, food enthusiasts, let's rewind the clock to a time where fire was the ultimate kitchen gadget. Picture this. Our resourceful ancestors, faced with the challenge of making the most out of every part of the pig, stumbled upon the brilliance of turning pork skin into a crispy sensation. It's like they were the original snack innovators, creating something extraordinary from what others saw as mere leftovers. Imagine wandering through the bustling markets of ancient civilizations, where the air is thick with the aroma of exotic spices and sizzling pork fat. Our ancestors, keen on maximizing their culinary prowess, discovered that the tough, discarded pigskin could transform into a crunchy delight. It wasn't just a snack. It was a revelation in flavor. These ingenious cooks mastered the art of rendering pork fat, turning it into a crunchy treat that soon became a culinary secret passed down through generations. It's like they set the stage for the epic tale of pork rinds, a story that would span centuries and traverse continents. Now that we've uncovered the ancient origins of pork rinds, let's fast forward and see how this crispy delight embarked on a global journey, conquering taste buds in every corner of the world. Our first stop, Latin America, where the term chicharon became synonymous with crispy bliss. Picture bustling street markets adorned with savory delights. Chicharrones, deep-fried to perfection, quickly became a beloved snack, a crunchy expression of Latin American culinary ingenuity. Across the pond in the UK, enter the world of scratching. Picture cozy British pubs where friends gather over pints and crispy pork skin. The Brits put their spin on it, adding various seasonings, turning scratching into the perfect accompaniment for a pint of ale. Traveling east, we find ourselves in Asia, where pork rinds take on new flavors and textures. From the crispy bites of Filipino chicharon to the airy, puffed-up versions in some Asian cuisines, it's clear that pork rinds have a talent for adapting and adopting flavors from every culture they encounter. It's fascinating how a simple piece of pork skin has become a crunchy ambassador, transcending cultural boundaries and uniting snack lovers worldwide. It's time to witness the renaissance of rinds, the era when pork rinds stepped into the spotlight and became the crunchy sensation we know today. Picture this. It's the mid-20th century, a time when gatherings became more than just social events. They became opportunities for the ultimate snack experience. Enter the pork rind, the unsung hero of parties, game nights, and movie marathons. Suddenly, advertisements adorned with catchy slogans declared the irresistible crunch of pork rinds. It was as if the snack world had found its leading star, stealing the show from traditional popcorn and chips. Television embraced the crunch too. Characters on popular shows couldn't resist the allure of a bag of pork rinds. It was the snack that transcended fictional boundaries and became a real-life sensation. It's safe to say that during this era, pork rinds went from being backstage snacks to becoming the headlining act. They became a symbol of a good time, a crunchy companion to the laughter and joy of social gatherings. But before we wrap up this crunchy tale, let's sprinkle some fun facts into our pork rind fiesta. Did you know that pork rinds are not just a crunchy delight, they're also a protein powerhouse? That's right, folks. Crunch your way to protein glory with every satisfying bite. Back in medieval times, pork rinds weren't just for commoners. They were rumored to be a favorite of kings and queens. Imagine a royal feast with a side of crispy goodness fit for a monarch. If you're keeping an eye on your carb intake, rejoice. Pork rinds come with the ultimate low-carb credentials. It's like the snack universe aligning with your wellness goals. And there you have it, a fun-filled pork rind facts fiesta. So, the next time you're indulging in these crispy wonders, remember you're not just snacking. You're immersing yourself in a rich tapestry of history, culture, and downright deliciousness. That's a wrap on our pork rinds adventure, food and history lovers. If you've enjoyed this crunchy exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mouth-watering content, and share your favorite pork rind stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep crunching and munching.